All right, so today is August 1st. I was trying to take about basically two trades today, but my thing with Top Step is it's not producing any the information is delayed. I'm not sure what's going on with Top Step, so hopefully they get it fixed because I had two good trades. I really wanted to trade before the market even opened. The first trade idea came. I took a screenshot, so let me see if it saved the screenshot. Uh, let's see here. This one first. This was all yesterday. So this is that was a missed trade, right? So this one here, I said the missed trade. I marked it before it happened. I was trying to get in right here when I was doing my pre-market analysis. I saw this, and I'm gonna go try to break down what I actually saw on charts here. So if I go into the 1 minute, I'm gonna pin that, and it looks like I left it up still. So yeah, so go to the 1 minute and go back. We had a nice channel going up. 8:30 we had news, and then we hit the top of that gap, and we pushed down. But what I did notice was that every time that we attempted to go up, we got slammed down, and then price kept. No, so every time we attempted to go down, we got slammed down. We got price pushed up. Oh my goodness. Every time price went down here, it went up and got slammed down. But when we're trying to go up, when price changes direction, right? Price took these highs out. It got slammed down, and then like, oh, we're gonna sell, but then price reversed, right? And then pushed down, couldn't hold it, price reversed, and then pushed down strongly, right? But still couldn't get below this. So entering here would have been bad, and then price reversed, going up into that gap fill that I had, and then that was news, and then price started coming back down this way, and then I got interested when I was looking at the 15-minute chart. That I noticed that we're making a wick, and I said, well, if we break it, I'd be interested in the short, and also I'd be interested in a retest of the volume of this area right here, right? So we broke it, we're breaking it, and I said, oh, and I saw this. I said, well, I would enter here, and my goal would be to take price down here to settlement price, all right, if it can go down there. So price pushed down, went to the 2-1, and it started reversing. So I probably would have exited this trade here around the open, right here, and would have been like a short trade for about what 6 points. It did give me 15 points. I probably would have been done. Actually, I probably would have exited here because then I would have been too high on my combine because this is the area of the retest. I would have wanted to add more here with my stop loss basically right above this area. So price breaking out, I could have added one here, risking about 3 points, and I would have just adjusted my stop loss. Would have gotten about 20 to 15 points, and then I would have been done for the day because I can only do a certain amount with the combine until I pass it, right? And but I couldn't take this trade, so I was hoping that the delay thing would have been done because at the open we went back to my main area of interest of where I wanted to enter. Price pushed up and then pushed down, but I liked this break of channel, but this is too high. Whoops, I duplicated it. So I like this break of channel, but this is this break of trend, but this is too high. This is about what 10 points. So I probably would have went about 11 points. So I probably would have went 5 MES contracts, or I just wait for a retest of this area, which we got here. All right. Or what time is this one? This is the I can't see it. Oh, look at 15. So 9:45. So if I waited till 10, I'll probably get another entry. But I would need like a break, which is the entry could have been here, with a stop loss right above, right? And this is about what, 6 points? I'm hoping 7 6 points, right? If I go to the 5 minute chart, right, the 5 minute up, we have um, this candle here, where price is a what's it, a twisting, a spinning top. Price pushed out for the sell, and then we pushed back in, and I could have used this to here to look for my entry of my break. So maybe enter right, trying to just see where exactly I'm at here. 55, 10. So probably enter at the break of this channel here with my stop loss up here, which is at 11 points, or look for the retest and then break. But either way, I did have several potentials to enter into this trade, but I just couldn't because um, delayed data. And then from there, price just basically sold off. I don't think I had any other levels after that. Price just sold off nicely and just kept going. Then we had a minor volume pullback, and then price continued lower. So those are basically the trades that I was looking for. I was definitely looking for the short up here. The reason I was looking for that short is because in the pre-market on the 30-minute, we had this strong selling up here, and price pushed away from it. So I said, well, price comes back to it, I'm definitely gonna look for a short, and that's basically what we got. I had a nice short potential from it. Nice push down, come back to it, and then we just all the way down to my area, down to value area low. And then it's the first time that we had volume for buying, and then we had a small minor bounce, which could have been a nice potential trade before the market closed. This would have been a nice trade too for this push down. We can see we had nothing but selling candles, no buying. As price never moved up higher, so we're in a sellers market. I do like this pullback around the noon session with the low volume, and let's see where did it go to. So we went to this volume that we had here at 11. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. That's at 11, right? So this is the pullback, high volume. I would think it would come up to this one. That's a lot of volume, right? But it never did. So I'm not sure why it chose to bounce at an insignificant level, but it did nonetheless. I would have been wanting for it to come up to here, and that would have been a target I'd be looking for, because that's where price really got rejected. Price broke through, so, but nonetheless there was a pullback and a drop, so that's would have been a good trade, a good trade. This let's go to the 5 minute real quickly. I gotta unpin this so I can see. Let me make this bigger. So yeah, so breaking out of this here would have been a nice trade, and ES moves from here to here. That's 50. That's 59, 60 points. Then we moved over like 120 points today. Why won't this thing go away? Why is this up? Sheesh. Alright. So back to what I was trying to do. Yeah, so we moved a lot today. We moved about 156 points today. This would have been a nice trade. Even on one micro ES contract would have been good. It's 5 times 156. That's 780 bucks. He just traded just one. 5 times 25 times 156. All right. Um, just for kicks, 50 times. All right. 100 times. So, just two ES contracts. Strong reversal. Uh, 50 times 10 times. That would be awesome. An all-day trade. Probably wouldn't be 156. Probably just be from that break here, around here, to just down here, which is 143. If you can hold that. So 50 times 10 times 143. That would have been a nice day for anybody. That's somebody's yearly salary made in made in 4 hours and 24 minutes. 4 hours and 24 minutes. 4 hours and 24 minutes divided by 4.5. Yeah. So about $15,000, $16,000 an hour. That's beautiful. Um, Days are coming. Just staying in trades like this and just letting the price go without looking for, not getting any kind of reversal. No buying came in except for like right here where price actually had a reversal, right? So that probably would have been a scary spot, but buying never stepped in. That is 107 points. So even so, just for kicks, like I said, times, that's pretty damn good. And that's like was that around noontime, around 13, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 9 or 4 hours. Yeah, about 3 hours, let's say. Divided by 3.5, still 15,000 an hour. So yeah. So anyways, I don't have any buying since we're breaking it. So I don't have any levels I'm gonna add. I'm gonna delete these, and I don't have any levels really. I do have the selling I'm gonna add. Let me add it now. But my levels that I wanted price to hit got hit. My levels where I wanted price to sell off sold off at. So now all I need is just to see if my thing will stop being delayed and be ready for tomorrow, because I like to trade. If not, I'm just gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna focus on just the setups, trading the setups, trading the ideas, and not forcing anything, and then let price work out for itself. I don't really like this. This is a hammer candle. I'm not gonna mark it. I'm gonna keep this the way it is. So that's really it. So if I can't figure out how to fix that, then I'm gonna figure out how to just work on trading my own system my own way, and then go from there. Alright, so that's it for me. Be back tomorrow.